Let's begin with the next example on gravity model to do the trip distribution. I'll read out the problem for you. Kindly pay attention and try to understand. So, in this problem, the total trips produced in and attracted to the three zones A, B, and C of a survey area in the design are tabulated as below. So there are basically three zones, and you have been given the trips produced and the trips attracted. So there are 2000 trips which are produced from zone A and 3000 trips that are attracted to zone A. Similarly for B and C. So it is known that the trips between two zones are inversely proportional to the second power of the travel time. Again, here in this problem the spatial separation is with respect to time. So di of j, di to j raised to n here is the time, and n here is 2, because they have told that it's the second power of the travel time between the zones. And uniformly it is being told that no matter from A, B or C, the travel time to the attraction is going to be 20 minutes constant throughout. Okay, so if you are traveling from A to some other zone, then it takes 20 minutes. From B to any other zone, again it takes 20 minutes, and from B to C again it might take 20 minutes. So the travel time is constant throughout the problem, that is 20 minutes. So dij here is 20. So in the denominator you will be having 20 square. You will get to know once we start solving the problem. So this way, the spatial separation here in this problem is considered to be as 20 minutes constant. Then, if the trip interchange between the zones B and C is known to be as 600, if the trip interchange between zones B and C is known to be as 600, calculate the trip interchange between zones A and B, A and C, B and A, and then C and B. So these are the trip interchanges that you need to calculate. Okay. Then to begin with the problem, you have already known about the general equation. Now general equation can be again written in this form: capital Tij is equal to k multiplied by Pi Aj divided by t raised to n. Now this t is nothing but d what we have considered in the previous problem, and n here is 2. Okay, and this t here is 20 as per this problem. So capital Tij is equal to k Pi Aj divided by small t raised to n. Now you have been told that the trip interchange between B and C is already known to us. So the trip interchange between zones B and C is being given as 600. Therefore, T, B and C is equal to K. This is origin and this is destination. Alright. So PB multiplied by AC divided by T raised to N. Now the trip interchange is already given in the problem as 600. So this value is already known to us. Substituted here. The only thing that is unknown is this K. Now if you remember what is K, K is the constant which is independent of the movements happening between the considered zones. So this constant or multiplication factor need to be determined. So 600 is already given in the problem, you already know the value of it. PB, so consider B and C. B is the origin, C is the destination. PB is what? PB is 3000. For zone B, the trips produced is 3000. So that is PB multiplied by AC. AC is attraction, that is 2000, divided by the travel time is the same throughout, so it would be 20 square. Once you solve this particular step, you will get the value of k as 1 by 25. 1 by 25. So the value of k is known. Now when you know the value of k, you can easily start solving the problem to find out the trip interchange happening between A and B, A and C, B and A, and then C and B. Let's begin with A and B first. So value of k is, again you will have to use this equation here, right? So the capital T A B is equal to, value of k is known to us, multiplied by Pi is what? P for A is 2000. P for A is 2000. So that 2000 would be written here. A of j, what's the destination here? Destination is B. So what is the value of A? It is how much? For B it is 4000. So that 4000 you will be writing here. P of A, A of B divided by 20 multiplied by 20, that is 20 square. Okay, I am just trying to substitute the values corresponding to this general equation. Okay, you need not get confused about how the things are being taken into consideration. You just need to remember this general equation. Here in this case what we are solving is the trip interchange between A and B. So here I would be A, J would be B, I would be A, and this J would be B. So P of A and A of B need to be substituted here. Now all these values would have been given in the problem itself. Solve this and you will get T of AB. Okay, so you have accomplished the first requirement of the problem. On similar grounds, you try to find out what is T, A to C, then capital T, B to A, and then capital T, C to B. So TAC is 400, TBA is 900, TCA is 1200, and TCB is 1600. These are all the k value, it remains constant. Denominators are the same because the spatial separation is 20 minutes, square of 20 need to be taken. Only thing that varies is these. Okay, you have all these contents in the problem, you just need to consider those and solve the find out the solution. So that's the second type of problem. Now as a homework, you can I have made the respective corrections for this particular problem. You can just go through this problem number 32.4 and try solving it on your own. In case if you have any doubts, you can get back to me, and we shall have a discussion on it in the later stage. Okay, so this problem 32.4 would be your homework. You are expected to do the calculations on your own and try solving the problem so that the concepts would be much clear to you. So in the next video I'll be starting with the next type of problem which would be as per problem number 32.5.